Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I figured it's about time I do a truck update video for you guys. Since the last time you saw the truck, I'm pretty sure was when I introduced it to the channel back in September or October, or maybe November, December, something like that. Quite a while ago, a couple months ago. So I figured it's time I do a update video for you. A lot has changed since I introduced the truck to the channel, and there's some more changes coming up in the near future, which is why I wanted to make this video for you guys. Just kind of like an in-between kind of progress video. So without any further ado, let's get at it. Alright, so here's the truck in all of its glory. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I guess first things first. Number one thing that has changed is the wheels and tires. So these are 20 by 12 negative 44 offset XD grenades wrapped in 275/65/20 Nitto Trail Grappler MTs. Don't ask me why I went with this tire size and stuff. This is about a 33.5-inch tire. That's about 11.5 inches wide, so it gives it a nice stretched look, even though it's an only 12-inch wide rim. The reason I went with 12 wides instead of 14 wides like on my other trucks, just because this truck is only leveled, not lifted, and I want to keep it that way to keep the ride comfort. So pretty much the most I could fit was these 12 wides. Next thing, I'm not sure if I had tint done when I did the video, but I have tint just to match the back. It's a little bit lighter, but it does match the back. Other than that, grill paint to matched. It's got to be touched up. What else? Oh, we come around to the back here. Come around to the back, and we got trigger mud flaps. Painted bumper, tinted taillights. Pretty sure that stuff was done before. Trigger mud flaps. I don't have trigger flaps on the front, just because the stance on the front isn't that aggressive that I figured I'd need them. The front bumper is bedline, so the front bumpers are bedline. This upper bumper piece here, you can see that's changing in the future. We'll talk about that in a minute. Headlights are changing in the future. Flares, we'll talk about all that in a second. Come around to the inside. Oh, it did have if you go back and look at the video, it had a little weird like gas cap thing, so I got a stock one, put it on because the one that was on there was kind of ugly looking. Come around to the inside. We got gauges. We had the H&S in here before, but I've got boost and EGT gauges in here now. We've got a double DIN head unit in here now, and other than that, the inside is still pretty much the same. So, changes. Couple things. We're getting blacked out smoked headlights. That's the first change. Sorry about the wind noise. Second change, flares are coming off and getting paint to the truck, because I hate this matte look. So they're coming off, getting paint to matched. And this is getting repainted, and the grill's going to get repainted, and probably the bottom section of the bumper is going to get all repainted, paint to match. That's kind of what's happening body-wise. Suspension-wise, right now it's just got a leveling kit in there on top of the stock coils and shocks. I'm getting Thurin Fab soft ride coils in the front. Might do his control arms too. We're going to do Fox 2.5 shocks all the way around. Hopefully make the ride better. And then things like this. These things are all going to get fixed when we do the painting of this. So the next video you'll see for about the truck is going to be a lot of painting and body work. I don't know if you remember when I introduced the truck, I mentioned that I got it for a really cheap price considering what it is. Let me turn around and talk to you guys here. So I got the truck for a really cheap price for what it is. It's a 2009 Dodge 6.7 Cummins, so got the 6.7 in it, 6-speed automatic, and the head was blown on it. So I ended up doing studs, replacing the gasket, which is all great and fine. So because of that, I got the truck for a really good price. The other downfall was a little bit of the body work is pretty rough. So, you know, I could have spent more and got a better condition truck, but I decided to spend less because a lot of this stuff I can fix and do myself for relatively cheap. Cheaper than I could have ended up getting a better truck for anyway. And I really do like this 6.7 Cummins. I really do favor it over the 5.9. But other than that, so that's probably going to be the next couple videos you'll see, is some body work and some body mods and then the suspension stuff. The other thing is, it is straight pipe now. Before it was not, so it is straight piped. I'm just debating on whether I like that or not, what I'm going to do about that. I do like it. It's just a little bit annoying, like with the drone on the highway, but we're going to keep playing with the exhaust a little bit before I decide on something final. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. That was just a little update for you, and hopefully you guys liked it. I know I say it every video, I've been lacking on videos. I'm in school right now, so I haven't had a lot of time, but school ends this week, so I should be able to get back at some of the truck stuff, and I got another car to flip and stuff like that too. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.